Hello, aviation family. Big news came from Air India. Air India made a historic order of total 470 aircraft. This includes 250 aircraft with Airbus and 220 aircraft with Boeing. This Boeing order includes 190 narrow body Boeing 737 MAX for domestic and international services and 20 wide body Boeing 787 Dreamliners and 10 Boeing 777 wide body for long haul and ultra long haul services. In this order, which is your favorite aircraft? Share us your thoughts. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.